Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Schedule B, what it means, why it matters, and how it impacts medicine you see every day. By the end of this video, you'll understand Schedule B like a pro. Definition: regulatory purpose. Schedule B drugs are those that require special labeling and handling due to their potential for moderate abuse or misuse, but they are commonly prescribed in medical practice. They are essential in clinical treatments but regulated to ensure safety. Examples of Schedule B drugs. Some common examples include certain antibiotics, pain relievers that are less potent than Schedule A, hormonal medications like some corticosteroids. These drugs are widely used in hospitals and pharmacies, but distribution is strictly documented. Documentation compliance. Pharmacies and manufacturers must maintain accurate records for Schedule B drugs. This includes purchase logs, prescription records, and stock reports. Failure to comply can lead to legal penalties and regulatory action. Did you know? Some drugs in Schedule B are actually everyday medicines you've probably used. The classification doesn't mean they're dangerous if used properly, it simply ensures controlled access and safety. Conclusion: to sum up, Schedule B drugs are moderately controlled medicines that require careful handling, documentation, and compliance. Understanding these classifications is crucial for pharmacy professionals, students, and healthcare providers. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.